Hey guys, a short video here showing you the contract editor. So if we want to send contracts through ScribeWare, we can send them and get them signed. And you send them here from the client and property information page right here. And here you can see I've got a pre-offer verbal one loaded or my residential. And I'm going to add another contract for interior only inspections. So we'll go under settings. Over on this side here you can see contracts, and here's my verbal inspection. I don't really even do those, but whatever. I'll let my insurance guy give me a contract. So let's offer a new one, create a new one here. So we're going to add new. We'll save the changes to this other one. The new one is going to be condo interior only. Alright, so now we got a blank space, and you can see it defaults by getting your logo all set up here. Now I have a Word file of my interior only agreement on another page, and I copied that already, so I'm just going to paste that in. And you'll find, it comes over pretty well, but usually you want to do some formatting here. So let's come up and we're going to do condo. And I'm not going to do all this with you here. I just want to show you how it all works. So you can come up here and do a heading. We could come over and move this over so it's in the middle. We could come up here. These are the big things I wanted to show you, and we'll just maybe do these and then knock off the video because I think this will get you what you need. Name of clients. It's these guys, the placeholders. So you can client name, boom. Address of property inspected, client address, report number. You can come in here, grab report number. So it's really that easy, and now you're connecting the information you're gathering in ScribeWare for each job, and it'll be connected to this particular contract when you send it out. So you could go through and just use these placeholders, and when you're done, again, you can put your fee down here. If you wanted to really highlight this, you could give it more of like a heading. You don't have to have the actual place where they sign here because that's all done digitally, and I'll make another video showing you how that works. So anyway, you kind of get the sense. This might be a little too big. Let's do the next one, the subheading. That's good. So cool. So anyway, I'm going to keep fiddling with this, but I think you've seen enough just to get the video here. So that's how the placeholders work. When you're done, you hit save. And now I've got a condo interior contract loaded and ready to go. Thanks for watching.